how to transfer Litecoin to PayPal. So the first thing that you need to do is simply go to this website instantexchangers.com, and all you need to do is simply sign in your account in here. And after signing in, you will automatically be directed on this page. And below to start transferring Litecoin to PayPal, under this Use Send section, kindly proceed by entering or selecting here this Litecoin. And in order to transfer it to our PayPal account, just simply choose here under You Get section the PayPal USD. And after that, just proceed by simply entering here the amount of Litecoin that you want to send or transfer. Let's say 15. And below it will show you the amount of PayPal USD that you will get. And below just simply enter the recipient wallet address or your PayPal email address. Then click the continue button, and from here, just simply scroll down and check these boxes indicate that you agree to the terms of use. And click the continue button once again. Then you will automatically be directed in here, and it will show you the details including this wallet address that you can send the LTC using your crypto wallet. And after sending it, just click I have paid, and once it has been processed or completed, you will be able to receive this amount on your PayPal account.